All right, everything's sounding and looking good as usual. So, gonna work towards some new rhythms again with the triplets. So number one here, the same kind of thing we did with the chords. So we're getting this rhythm of the 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and, which is going to tie into the next rhythm. So with the next rhythm, it's like doing the 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and. We just remove all the upstroke stuff, so we can still count it like 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and to help us line the foot up. This is basically going to be, for number 2, the quarter note triplets, or the tripleted quarter notes. So, let's get into it here. So as always, just learning what the notes are before applying the rhythm. Great idea. So, a little complex. So we got... we're going to roll. So when you get to that note there, the end of the fourth bar, your index finger needs to be a little flat in order to roll down to the D string. And we're actually going to do a pinky roll. So here we go from on the tip to flat. Alright, let's add the rhythm. 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and 1. Let's go to 90. 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and. Oh, I played that wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 20. 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and. $150. 1, 2, 1, a 2, and 3, a 4, and. Okay, number 2. So yeah, this is where at the slower speeds, tapping your foot every single beat, getting a feel for that, well, polyrhythm, because you got the 3 notes evenly spaced across 2 beats every time. and then after a while, when it starts getting faster, just tapping your foot on every first and third beats, and then really focusing on those clicks as well, you can start to feel it like it's an eighth note triplet again at that point, which makes it a lot easier to do at faster speeds. Well, maybe not a lot easier. It has some benefits. All right, so yeah, just same thing that you did with the chords. All right, here we go. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Oh, and also with this, yeah, everything's a downstroke, every single thing. So still a good idea. Just learn what the note pattern is, even though it is all downstrokes. Rhythmically, it's odd when you're spacing everything as it's written with the metronome. Right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 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 1. Alright, 90. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 20. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Started trying to play a different pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Alright, 150. So this is where you can try just, well, it doesn't really matter what speed, but as it gets faster, it's easier to think about focusing on the first and third beats to make playing this a bit easier. I think that worked for you well with the chord stuff. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this one faster. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since you mentioned the string skipping parts were kind of a pain, let's do a bunch of string skipping. Let's see how this goes. Not the easiest thing to start with, but going off of what you have shown so far, I think this would be an okay thing to try. Let's find out. So, basically just kind of in the first half, we do have these quarter notes every other bar here. So it's not constant. Pretty close to constant though. So yeah, first half focusing on just doing a quick skip up to a higher string, and then the second half we flip it around, quick skip down to a lower string, just based on A minor pentatonic. And here we go. Good. Alright. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and So I do like palm muting the low E for the first half. You don't have to do it, but for me it definitely makes it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. About to do the beginning again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, 120. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't like that note. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, man, that's tough. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. That is tough. Alright, so yeah, I think we've done plenty of the palm mute stuff. You can clearly handle it well. You ever have any palm mute type questions, let me know. But yeah, that's it for this week. So any questions come up, let me know. And I'll see you again in your new videos.